So, and if I want to make a stem, then I prefer this texture. So if you can see, this is the right side, but this is not. So, and it gives this pumpkin a lovely look. So let's make one. So I've already done one row, but I ripped it off because you can see the stitches or the small holes. It's easier to follow. So, and what I'm going to do, so I'm going to crochet the other way around and pick up stitches and make the base. And it doesn't matter where, so how big you want your stem to be. So I decided I'm going to make that long, and I'm going to bend it and so on. I will show it. So I will start making single crochet stitches on the body, and the number of stitches, like I've just told, is not important. Just I want to cover the whole row, make a round with single crochet stitches. So, and you can already see this is kind of the wrong side, and it's going to be outside. So I'll come back when I've done my base. So I've done my first row, and now I'm going to continue with single crochet. Let's say I'm going to make 2 rows, and you don't even have to mark your rows. You can see it, but it's not even important because this is going to be a creative process. But at first, let's do our 2 rows with single crochet stitches. So I'm coming back, and now I've done my 2 rows with single crochet stitches, and I'm going to make some decreases, but every now and then. But right now, to be clear, I'm going to do this. Let's make like 2 single crochet stitches and then 1 decreasing. But it's going to be a little different because it's kind of the wrong side. So I'm going to pick up the first loop of the first stitch, and not the first loop of the second stitch, but the back loop, because then it will be neat. So I'm going to crochet them through. So, and now I'm going to make 2 more single crochet stitches, and let's do the same again. So first loop of the first stitch and the back loop, and I'm going to crochet them together. And I'm going to do 1 more decreasing. Let's see once again. First loop of the first stitch and the back loop of the second, and I'm going to crochet them together. And now I'm going to continue with single crochet stitches when I'm back over here, and I'll come back, and I'm going to make 1 more row with single crochet stitches, and then we are going to make some decreases once again. And now you can already see how it keeps on the left. So if I will continue doing some decreases over here and here